In this tutorial, you're going to learn how to make a sword in Blender. Let's begin. Add, mesh, plane. It's just a little thin plane. Now to extrude it, because right now it's just a thin plane, go to edit mode or press tab on the keyboard and extrude. Drag the little plus up a little bit. Now it's a 3D object instead of a plane. To move and to make this longer, make sure you're on face select and select a face like that one, and make sure it's the move tool and just move it. Alright, this will be the blade. Cool. Now press A to select all, or if you can't remember that, just draw a box to select it. Right click, subdivide. That'll break it into sections. So now there's 8 instead of 1 box or cube. The area here where it says subdivide, this is how you control all the numbers, like how many subdivisions and smoothness and all kinds of settings. We're going to make all this area pointed now. To do that, select the vertex select button. That will allow you to select all these little dots. Click and drag a box to select only these 9. Once you have those selected, right click, merge vertices, just bring together at center. So merge vertices at center. Now it brings all those together. Now let's make these the same thing. Just highlight these 3. Highlight those, right click, merge in center. And same with these, right click. Oops. Highlight. Let's see what's going on. Control Z here. Let's try it again. A, right click, subdivide. Okay, looks good. Vertex, highlight, right click, merge, center. Alright, I think we're good now. Highlight those 3, right click, merge, center. Click and drag on the scroll wheel. Highlight these 3, right click, merge, at center. Over here, these 3, right click, merge, and these 3. When you're selecting them, don't do that. Just make sure you get the ones that you want. So those 3. Right click, merge, center. The blade. Next. Let's do that. Let's make a divot in the middle. To do that, select the edge select mode. Click on the middle one. Zoom in, hold the shift key down. As you're holding the shift, select these 2. Rotate. Hold the shift and do that one. So this line, this line, this line, and that line. Well, this bevel. Bevel is right there. Drag the bubble until it looks like that. And now let's make another slice in the middle. Control R. That's a loop cut. We've already done this, but oops. Whoopsie. Control Z if you messed up. Edit, undo, same thing. Alright, Control R until it looks like that, and click. Then it's asking you where do you want to put it. I'm just going to press escape so it snaps in the middle. And it's still selected because it's orange. And now let's scale it. Scale is right here. and drag the blue one down. So it kind of like compresses. Cool. The blade's looking a little long here. Let's go to vertex mode and just click on that one and just use the move tool to drag it in. Alright, now let's make it longer. Highlight those, but we want to do the face. So face, zoom in, highlight, I'm sorry, edges, edge. So you can click and drag a box around those. And let's move it. Cool. Now would be a good time to save it. File save. Press the up arrow, take it back to see documents. Double click documents. Hopefully you have a name with your folder, a folder with your name on it. If you don't have a folder with your name on it, click the new folder button. Call it your name, press enter, double click to go inside, select this area here, call it sword, and press enter. It'll add the .blend extension and save. Now the handle. Go back to object mode, add mesh cube, and it's kind of cool because it goes right there. Move it, move tool, drag the green arrow so it kind of overlaps that. Now let's smush it. So undo this thing. Oh, okay. To smush, let's go to edit mode again. Tab on the keyboard. Face select. Select the top face. Move tool. Drag it down. Select that. Move it up. Alright, select that face. Move it out. Actually, let's extrude it. Let's select that face and extrude. That'll be the handle. And let's move this face. Let's move it. Oh, sorry, extrude. Select that face, extrude. And this face, extrude. To make these symmetrical, when you click on it, there is an area, they'll give you the exact dimensions of it. So it's actually N on the keyboard. It's for navigation, and then here you can also click this little arrow there. And now it shows you how the dimensions of this. So if you select this and drag it, it'll do that, but you can see how the number changes when you do that. I'm just gonna make this 5, and same over here. I'll click this, and also do, this is negative, so negative 5. So now that's symmetrical. Wait, hold on. Okay. That's symmetrical, and that is the end of our simple sword.